scenarios if the victim is conscious or unconscious. Alam natin. No? So for example, the baby is still conscious. So, naglalaro lang siya dyan, tawa-tawa lang, biglang hindi na nagsasalita. No? So, syempre sabi nga natin, normally, very actually maybe, no, very, kung anumang sounds or bubbling sounds or kung anumang noise na ginagawa niya. Pero once na walang sound, hindi siya, hindi normal, no? Na hindi active yung baby. So pag tinignan mo si baby crying without sound, so baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? So you can always tickle, or when yung iba sila pinipite, so you elicit, syempre para medyo painful kay baby, or usually pag infant po kasi pag kininiting na reaction niya, dapat sisika or magre-react siya. So if the baby is still crying without sound, I will suspect choking. So first, tignan niyo muna kung meron kayong makikita na obstruction, baka nasa bibig, no? Meron nakabara lang sa likod. No? Kung wala, mouth and nose are clear, ano na tayo, dahil suspect choking. Again, the baby is crying without sound, you're checking using your little finger, then maliit lang siya. Mouth and nose are clear, wala akong makikitang obstruction. So, ang unang gagawin ay, yan. Okay, make sure na walang obstruction para siya ay makuntog. Siguraduhin niyo po na when protected, hindi po nakapikto. Kailangan natin ay nakababa yan para siguradong hindi stable yung ating protection. Okay? Yung aking forearm naka-parallel sa aking bilpe, kaya aking kita para siguradong protected din. Remember, para siyang fragile pa yung pakiramdam, no? Para siyang mahuhulog o madudurog, kaya kailangan well protected. So by virtue of gravity, pwedeng masusukan niya yung kung ano mang nag-obstruct. Now, hindi po tayo sa gitna, medyo gilid po tayo, tapos papunta sa gitna lang po yung direction niya. Okay? 5 back slaps or back blow. Either of the two you can use to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos, lipat nyo. Ako, naglilipat ako para sigurado stable pa rin. Ganun pa din, protected siya dyan. Tignan natin, wala pa rin. 5 chest thrust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saan po ang chest thrust niya? In between the nipple. Doon po nag-chest thrust. And then you check again. Obstruction seen, obstruction removed. Now, usually, pag parang nakasabit pa lang siya sa lalamunan, you continue. Kung nakasabit pa lang siya kasi, once na kinuwit nyo na, minsan lalo sa sabit. So, hayaan mo talaga pagsukan niya natin. O pag wala pa din, ayan, alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hanggang kailan mag-alternate hanggang mawala ng malay. Kasi we are expecting na mawawalan siya talaga ng malay pagka tuloy-tuloy na nakabara sa airway niya yung obstruction. Now, kung halimbawa, remember, kahit anong buga mo dyan, kung barado dito, walang lalabas, walang papasok na hangin, di ba? Walang lalabas na pagkain or bara, wala rin papasok na hangin. So, ano nang gagawin? You just continue compression. Dirty compression, para kung nagsi-CPR na, walang blow. Kasi, useless ang blow. Dahil, again, barado. Anong umpisa natin? The baby. Depende po kung gano'n kalit pa yung baby. So, kung halimbawa, infant na 1 to 3 months, pwede kaya na ng 2 dalilig, no? Pagka naman po medyo malaki na siya, 6 months to mga 11 months, 3 dalilig, no? So, kung malaki naman yung kamay, pwede pa rin naman 2. Yung ibang ginagawa nila, compression na ganyan. Pwede din po. Yes, pwede din po. So, again, ang ginagawa pa lang natin ay choking pa lang po, no? Ini-eliminate pa lang natin na matanggal yung para sa lalabas. Pagka po, pag dire-diretso compression, 30 na yun. Pag nawala na ito ng malay, pero pag yung removing, 5 lang po lang yun. 5 back slap, 5 chest thrust. Alternate, 5 back slap, 5 chest thrust. 5 back slap, 5 chest thrust. Tapos check. Okay? Basta every alternate 5 check. 5 check. Hanggang maisukan niya na, mailuwa niya na. Now, pag halimbawa, nailuwa niya na, so the baby will now be crying. Pag umiyak ka yan, no, you carry the baby, lagi ang protekta sa ulo at saka sa puwetan. Tapos pagka crying nga, look at the face of the baby, himasin yung likod. Usually sabi na 10 seconds. Ayan. So iba, mabibilang parang 1 to 10. Pero mas maganda na hinihimas mo siyang dire-diretso tinitingnan mo yung reaction niya. Kung nangingitim pa din, aba, ibig sabihin may obstruction pa din. Pero kung umiiyak na siya with sound, the baby is now revived. Okay, naka-survive na siya. Anong gagawin nun? Pwede kong dalhin sa check-up kasi masakit yun, di ba? Backslap tsaka chest thrust. Yan, no? So, what would be the sign na siya ay naka-recover na the baby is now crying with sound. Now, paano naman kung nadatnan mo lang? Nadatnan mo lang si baby. Aba, bakit parang walang huminga si baby? My name is Jer. I'm a trained first aider. I found the baby lying on the table. Let me check. So I have my PPE on. Let's be safe. So, baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? The baby is not responding or no response from the baby. Ma'am, please call 911 while I assess the baby. 161 while you assess the baby. Pag ina-assess mo, again, syempre, no, walang response yung baby, ang una mong gagawin, magpatawag ka. Kasi, first responder lang tayo, hindi tayo professional medical doctor. Okay? So, it's just first aid that we're doing. So, ang unang gagawin, hindi siya nag-response, kahit na nakailang topic ka na dyan. So, ang gagawin mo na, call for help, and then, check, mouth and nose are clear. So, sisilipin mo lang. No, sisipatin mo lang siya talaga. Remember, pag mga baby, wala pong mga head tilting, di ba? Neutral lang yung head. So, checking the mouth and nose, no obstruction seen. Dahil unconscious siya, you give now to ventilation. Pag nag-ventilate, again, you cover the mouth and nose of the baby. Cover the mouth and nose of the baby, you give to ventilation, blow, and then LLF. Blow, and then LLF. The baby's, there's, ano sign natin pag unconscious siya? The air bounces back. Air bounces back, and there's no chest rise and fall. Ibig sabihin, walang pumasok na hangin nung binigay natin. So, anong gagawin natin? Ganun ulit. So, you carry the baby, then you will now suspect choking. So, pagkabigyan niyo ng ventilation, the air bounces back, the patient is possibly choking. So, choking maneuver tayo, buhat. Ganun ulit. Ganun pa rin ang buhat sa baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obstruction seen, obstruction removed. The baby is now crying. Recovery position ka na. Okay? So, eye conscious or unconscious, ganun pa rin po ang pag-choking maneuver sa baby. Start with the 5 box lock, followed by the 5 chest thrust, tapos yung check. So, pag naluwat niya na, itayo mo na, you remove it with your index finger dahil maliit lang naman yung bibig nito. Okay? Now, paano kung ayaw? Again, yun, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Tapos, please follow up. Yan. So, kung ba, nakakailang balik-balik ka na, ayaw pa din. So, ang gagawin mo na ngayon, ano ka na? Mag-check ka na for 10 seconds. Bawa, natanggal mo na. So, bawa, may nagluwa na, pero unconscious pa rin si baby. So, ang gagawin mo, magbibigay ko ulit ang ventilation just to check na wala na talagang nakabara. So, ventilation, LLF, ventilation, LLF. Now, anong nangyari? Air passes through. O, pag air passes through na, ibig sabihin wala ng bara. Pero bakit unconscious pa rin si baby? I will check now for 10 seconds. Brachial pulse. Tapos, LLF na ako. Look, listen and feel. Look kung si baby ay nag-chest rise and fall. Listen and feel kung mayroong hangin na lumalabas. Yung iba ganito pwesto. Yung iba nakatingin lang na ganyan. No? So, whichever works for you. So, para consistent lang ganyan. Okay? Then, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The baby has no pulse and not breathing. Ma'am, please follow up ambulance while I perform CPR. Kasi negative pulse, negative breathing. Okay? So, negative pulse, negative breathing. Mag-ano tayo, CPR. So, dalawa, nipple to nipple. Tapos, sa baba niya. Sorry. Ring finger at saka index finger. Tapos, sa gitna. Okay? And then, we start with compression. 30 compressions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Blow. Blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Blow. low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Low, low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. Low, low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Low, low. Checking for pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Patient now has positive pulse but negative breathing. Ma'am, please follow up ambulance while I give the patient rescue breathing. Kasi may pulso na, pero hindi pa rin huminga. So, hindi ko na kailangan i-compress kasi mayroon na siyang pulso. So, gagawin ko para siguradong stable ang kanyang pulso, yung isang kamay ko nakahawak pa rin sa pulso. And now, I will give 40 cycles of ventilation. I will give 1 ventilation every 2 to 3 seconds for the next 2 minutes. So, pag binilang mo yun, 40 cycles siya. Okay? So, low, 1 and 1, low, 1 and 2, low, 1 and 3, low, 1 and 4, low, 1 and 5, low, 1 and 6, low, 1 and 7, low, 1 and 8, low, 1 and 9, low, 1 and 10, low, 1 and 11, low, 1 and 12, low, 1 and 13, low, 1 and 14, low, 1 and 15, low, 1 and 16, low, 1 and 17, low, 1 and 18, low, 1 and 19, low, 1 and 20, low, 1 and 21, low, 1 and 22, low, 1 and 23, low, 1 and 24, low, 1 and 25, low, 1 and 26, low, 1 and 27, low, 1 and 28, low, 1 and 29, low, 1 and 30, low, 1 and 31, low, 1 and 32, low, 1 and 33, low, 1 and 24, low, 1 and 35, low, 1 and 36, low, 1 and 37, low, 1 and 38, low, 1 and 39, low, 1 and 40, low. Checking for pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Patient now has positive pulse and positive breathing. Proceed to recovery position. Recovery position. So, umiiyak na si baby. Recovered na siya. So, yung talaga na the face para sigurado, hindi siya nangingitin. Yan, akap lang. Then, kung halimbawa, alagay mo baka may possible na injury, so you're checking. Yung iba hinihiga ulit, iba naman pwede na habang karga, no blood, no guts. 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 Iba na ang focus nila, binabalik ulit na kahiga. So para kung maingat, no, ilapit mo na lang ang buong katawang pagkainan. So iba from the head, no blood, no guts. From the neck, no blood, no guts. From the shoulder to the arms, no blood, no guts. From the chest, no blood, no guts. The abdomen, no blood, no guts. To the legs and feet, no blood, no guts. The baby is now recovered. Okay? Then, dali naman mo for check-up ng baby. Padali naman sa ambulansya para masigurado ma-check up siya ng doctor. Okay?